করোনাকেও ভয় পাইয়ে দিয়েছে নাহম।
Hey guys, so we have finally reached Thog's Market, New Market, and we are here to try out some of the heritage spots for Christmas. So let's see how it goes. You can see outside Nahum, it's crazy over here. It'll be really difficult for us to find we are inside Nahum's right now. I've shown you what the queue is like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly get an interview out of one person official over here. It might be a little difficult for us to get hold of a food item because the queue is too much and we don't want to jump the queue, skip the queue and get something. So we might have to skip this portion just for today, but we'll definitely try to get a word as to what is special about this place over here, as well as a little bit of an interaction with the crowd if possible. So let's get it. This is inside.
Brownie.
Right guys, so we have from the sales team of Nahum's Mr. Otanu Chatterjee. Welcome to Food Spa. একটু জায়গাটার ব্যাপারে সবথেকে আগে আমাকে বল।
সবচেয়ে প্রথম কথা হচ্ছে এটা 118 বছরের পুরনো প্রতিষ্ঠান। সারা পৃথিবীর কোন সেলিব্রিটি এখানে কেক খায়নি সে বলাটা খুব মুশকিল। সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি থেকে আরম্ভ করে একটা সময় নাম গল্প শুনেছি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের জব্বা পড়ে সেখান থেকে কেক কিনে নিয়ে গেছেন। এছাড়া আমার নিজের চোখে দেখা মান্না দে তো আছেই, আর অপর্ণা সেন, উষা উত্তুপ এরা তো আছেই। হই হই করে গান গাইতে গাইতে উষা উত্তুপ ঢুকতো যখন, অবশ্যই এখন তারা আর আসতে পারে না, গাড়ি রাখার পার্কিংয়ের অসুবিধে, কিন্তু বাড়িতে ঠিক ঠেক চলে যায় কেক। এরকম অনেক বহু সেলিব্রিটি আছে যারা আমরা দেখেছি, সন্ধ্যা রায়, মুনমুন সেন, অনেক নাম, সে বলে শেষ করা যাবে না।
ক্রিসমাসে কি স্পেশাল হয় এখানে?
ক্রিসমাসে আমাদের জেনারেলি যেটা হয় একটা স্পেশাল ফুড কেক হয়, সেটা 500 গ্রাম। জেনারেলি যেটা হয় সেটা 400 গ্রাম, কিন্তু খ্রিসমাসের সময় ডিসেম্বর, জানুয়ারি, ফেব্রুয়ারি 3 মাস চলে স্পেশাল ফুড কেক। ওইটারই ভীষণ মানে পাগল বলা যায় লোকে খাওয়ার জন্য, এবং ওটা এসে অনেকে না পেয়ে মনে দুঃখ করে বাড়িও চলে যায়, এরকমও হয়। বিশেষ করে আজকের দিন এছাড়া হয় আমাদের মিন্স পাই, এটা একটা ফ্রুট মিন্স, রাম অ্যান্ড রেজিন দিয়ে তৈরি হয়। এছাড়া অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল যা আমাদের ডেলি হয় সেই তৈরি হয়, চিকেন প্যাটিস, চিকেন মেয়োনিজ প্যাটিস, এগ চপ, ফিশ প্যান্ট্রাস, সবের জন্যই মানুষ পাগল। কারণ নাহম এমন একটা জায়গা না, করোনাকেও ভয় পাইয়ে দিয়েছে নাহম।
Great, thank you so much. Our experience inside, since they're not allowing us to eat inside, and there's no way in which you can get a whole cake, cut it into pieces, etc. Because you're not allowed to eat inside. Neither do they have the plates and the forks and the knives and everything else. And we did not want to skip the queue and order for small cakes over here. That was an option which they've given us, which is very sweet of them. But I think it will not be fair on our part to enjoy a privilege of that sort. So what we're going to do is we're going to move on straight to the next spot and see if we're going to find out something which we can eat standing, and also give you a review about it. Let's come. What are you doing here?
Malik
Malik?
Yes.
What have you covered from Malik?
I bought fruit cake.
Okay.
And he's having patties.
Okay. Hi. Hello. Great. Enjoy. Top of the day is the Imperial Bakery and Confectioners. This has been established in the year 1874. That's another humongously old place. Let's get inside and see. Right guys, so we have the 5th generation owner of Imperial. We have Parvezi over here. Hi Parvezi, welcome to Food Spa. কি তোমার জায়গাটার হিস্ট্রি ব্যাপারে সবথেকে আগে?
আমার জায়গার হিস্ট্রি নিউ মার্কেট জবে থেকে তৈরি, স্যার স্টুয়ার্ট হক সাহেবের হাত ধরে, তখন থেকেই আমাদের দোকান। আমরা এখন 5 পুরুষে পড়েছি। আমাদের এই কেক, রুটি, বিস্কুট, বেকারি লাইনের, কনফেকশনারি বেকারি লাইনের যা ব্যবসা সব, এটা আমরা 5 পুরুষ ধরে করছি। খুব সুনামের সাথে করছি, মানুষের সহযোগিতা, আশীর্বাদকে পাত্র করে। এবারে করোনার জন্য একটু আমাদের বাজারটা খারাপ আছে, অর্থাৎ মানুষের হাতে টাকা পয়সা কমের কারণে আমরা ঠিক অতটা রেসপন্স পাচ্ছি না। তাছাড়া আমরা যে যে আইটেম করি সবই এবছরও করেছি। নলেন গুড়ের কেক কেউ করে না, মার্কেটে আরো দোকান আছে কেউ করে না এত ভ্যারাইটি কেক। এটা চকলেট ওয়ালনাট কেক,
চকলেট ওয়ালনাট,
এটা হলো এটা ওয়ালনাট হোয়াইট চকলেট।
ওকে, what is this?
এটা হলো এগলেস কেক,
এগলেস কেক,
এগলেস ফ্রুট কেক। আচ্ছা, এটা হলো একটা গিফট কাজু কেক।
ওকে,
এটা গিফট আলমন্ড ফ্রুট কেক।
almond fruit cake. Let's check this one. Almond cake. তাছাড়া আর কি মানে ক্রিসমাস ছাড়া আর কি স্পেশাল আছে তোমার এখানে?
ক্রিসমাস ছাড়া আমাদের পেস্ট্রি আছে, ক্রিম পেস্ট্রি আছে, আমাদের ওয়েডিং কেক আছে, বার্থডে কেক আছে, আমাদের একটা ক্রিসমাস স্পেশাল রোজ কুকিজ হয়, এই রোজ কুকিজ
ওকে
এটা আমরা তৈরি নিজেরা করি, খুব ভালো,
ওকে খুবই লাইট, এটা ভেরি লাইট,
খেতে খুব ভালো।
কনফিউজ হয়ে যাবো কোনটা কি।
নারকেলটা ধরে না পাবে ভাই।
Too much of rush at Malik. It's actually not rush at Malik's, but the entire rush which is channelized in one. We're very lucky that we are done with two of the busiest spots and we are done with Newmarket for today. Next two spots of the day are both not in Newmarket, so we're very lucky about that. Right, the crew for the day, the ones helping me out with this particular vlog, Gangotri, Arpita, as well as Salome. Salome and Arpita, that's your first vlog. Excited?
Mine also.
I said Salome and Arpita. Chap baba. Never mind. Yes, let's head over to the next plot. The next destination for us is a place called Saldanha. So that is, I think, in between here and Fleury's Park Street. So that is how we planned the day. We started off at Hogs Market and we are heading towards Saldanha next. And if we get the chance to, we'll end it with a stroll down Park Street. Like a refreshment break converted into a blooper courtesy Gangotri. Gangotri puro add করছে। Oh,
Slice. Slice এই দিক দিয়ে করা।
and this is us at the Saldanha Bakery.
So, take the order for 27. Anyone has had a free booking?
Hey Abbas, what's up?
Free booking?
This is the bakery. It smells very good. So we have Deborah here. She is the third generation owner of Saldanha. Deborah, tell us a little bit about the brand first.
Well, Saldanha was started 90 years ago by my grandmother, Obalina Saldanha.
All right.
And in those days, for a woman to really get into entrepreneurship would have been really great, considering the different times span then. She had the boxmen who would go all over Calcutta, to the schools, the institutions, to customers across the length and breadth of the city, and they would look forward to actually seeing the boxmen come with cakes, patties, etc. And after that, what we did is that we branched out, we reached out to a lot of customers, to institutions, corporates, and I've been a banker, so when I came into the business, my dad was getting on in years, but we increased the number of products that we had on offer, and a lot of it based on the feedback from customers, a lot of requests from customers. And then I noticed that my daughter was showing a lot of interest in the business too. So we decided to send her off to Le Cordon Bleu after she finished her BBA.
Okay.
And she's a pastry chef, and she helps with decoration of the cakes.
All right.
And there are a lot of new items that she has also brought in. So we have kept the traditional items in the business, which are very reasonably priced. And she has brought in a lot of the new items in the business. And so you have eclairs, you have French macaroons, and at the same time you have the old traditional chicken patties, our walnut cake, which is very well known, our Christmas cake, our wedding cakes, the coconut macaroons. So we've got a blend of all the traditional as well as the modern. So you know, when you go abroad and you see what's happening out, the opera cake, etc. All those we have for you right now. Birthday cakes, she's handling the entire decoration. So whatever you want, you know, we can replicate for you. We can give you ideas and, you know, make a child's birthday better. Any occasion, special occasion, cakes, almond slices for weddings. Those are very popular at Saldanas. Everything that we do is with a lot of passion. It's baked fresh. Raw materials are all sourced fresh. So our products are fresh. You can see that in our products. And our loyal customers who, you know, swear by these products. And keep
Fantastic.
coming
How
back.
old is this particular brand?
90 years old.
90 years old.
Yeah.
Wow, you're going to be soon completing a century.
Yes.
We wish you the best
Thank
for it.
you so
Hi
much.
Alicia, welcome to Food Spur.
Hello.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so I'm a pastry chef from Le Cordon Bleu, London, and I'm the 4th generation in Saldana Bakery. And I think this has just been my passion ever since I was young. I used to see my grandparents working in the bakery, and I knew that baking was always in my genes. And I think Saldanas is something which is associated with the City of Joy for so many years, and I would just want it to continue many more years so that I can give Calcutta something very special.
That is amazing. So what do we have over here?
So this is our special rich fruit cake,
Okay.
which is Saldana's absolute speciality and everyone's favorite during Christmas and throughout the year, because we are the only bakery who makes it throughout the year.
Wow.
You can get this all 365 days. And this is my grandfather's recipe of the traditional walnut cake in Saldana's. And I think everybody comes back to Saldana's for the walnut cake.
It's very soft, huh?
Yes, it is warm right out of the oven.
Crazy. Just look at this bad boy here. It's crumbling. That's how
Yes,
soft and
that's how
fresh
soft
this
It's
is.
right out of the oven.
Very nice.
Oh, absolutely filled with all your favorite fruits for the Christmas special.
Out. Even when you're looking, it has a darker tinge. That means it's not very dry, so that's really nice.
Yes, it is extremely
And
moist. I think
filled
that
with
is the
a
specialty.
very generous portion of dry fruits. So that's amazing. This is the box which has been prepared especially for Food Spa from Alicia's end. Thank you for those. And what do you have in your hand?
So these are marzipans, which is like the almond cookies.
Wow.
And so every probably every Goan household will have marzipan and rose cookies and kalkals. And these are absolutely homemade, starting from the scratch. And this brings back so many memories of Goa. And I think if you can't go to Goa because of lockdown, have a packet of this. This is going to be amazing.
Amazing. Thank you for suggesting these amazing items. You've been a sweetheart. Thank you so much. Despite having such a queue, I think half of them are probably abusing us right now.
Not at all.
Let's get ourselves out. So Abbas over here, he's a regular at Saldana. How's the experience been over here?
Always good. Like I'm coming up from childhood.
What have you got yourself here?
I brought myself fruit cake and plum cake. I was going to buy walnut cake, but they don't have it because it's out of stock. So only for the older people.
It's only for the...
People who ordered from before.
Oh, okay, I got older people. Great. So you're a regular, you're saying? Like only you or your parents, grandparents?
Actually, they are relatives. They are relatives, like from my grandmother's side. So we always come here to buy our cake. And it's not only for Christmas. Even if you want to go for a wedding cake or something, we will come here.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Chalo, wrap it up. So we're trying out this special thing over here. It's chicken sausage. So that was our experience at the Saldana. 90 years of history. The stuff was brilliant. I loved the brownie cake. That was so nice. As well as the sausage. The new sausage item which has been launched by Alicia. That was amazing and you should definitely get this. We almost left and we got a call back saying that there's something special which was prepared for us. And we missed out, so we're going to be back again for those.
You almost missed out on Saldana's Christmas special.
Okay.
And this is our rum balls, which I started this year especially for Christmas. And these are the handmade chocolates with fillings, especially like caramel and strawberry. And these are the French macarons. And that is a chocolate biscuit, which is a Saldana specialty. And it is crisp and chocolatey, and I think it's perfect for every chocolate.
Perfect. Let's Alright guys, so these are the special items again. This is a macaroon. I'm not going to break this since it's very small. Amazing. Next up, I'm going to have the rum balls at the end because it's going to totally mess up my hand. These are the special biscuits. So, Christmas special chocolate biscuit. Woo! We have some Christmas special chocolates. I'm going to just break open one of them. Oh, by the way, the biscuit has a better aftertaste. It's pretty mild. I'm going to open this one. These are the handmade chocolates. This has a filling inside. Finally, this very heavy piece of rum balls. Now since I don't have a tissue paper over here, I won't break it open. I'll just take a bite. Whoa. Every item at Saldana is extremely unique, expertly made. The mildness, the sweetness, whatever, the texture and everything else is so amazing. I think it's a shame on me that I stay barely 5 minutes from here and I had to use Google Maps to track down this place. But no more. I'm definitely going to be back here to try out all the items which I personally loved over here, including the brownies and the sausage. Those two are absolute must-tries. And the macaroons too. Right guys, so finally we are at Park Street. We would try our hands at maybe shooting a video inside Flurys. I'm not very sure if we are going to be permitted because as far as I know you need prior permission to shoot at Flurys, and we did not have enough time to get that, but we'll try our luck. I think we've got a pretty decent number of places, heritage spots, all of them, and we're at Park Street. You can hear in the background and you can see as well, it's beautiful. Park Street in Christmas is always a dream. So yep. You're not allowed to shoot a video without permission like I had predicted. So we've got all this stuff over here, let's check it out. Alright, so the first things which I'm trying out is a cinnamon bun. Now these are one of my special, like my favorite items from here. That's like a cinnamon bun over here. They said that it's going to be heated, it's not. So that's disappointing. Then we have some Flurys special cakes. So we have a strawberry cake. Very smooth. This is a chocolate cake. Wow. Amazing. This has dark chocolate. Not very sweet at all. I love it. Finally, we have a slice of the plum cake. Very moist. Very good. Guys, how was your experience today? Please tell me.
This one was amazing experience. First cake walk, food walk er moddhe. So I felt very good. Onek rokomer cake taste korte parlam and special je jaygulo jegulo pawa jay eta jana holo. So পরবর্তীকালে এগুলো টেস্ট করতে হেল্প হবে।
Arpita and Salome, what did you all enjoy the most?
The Saldana cake because
Okay.
I just loved the rum ball. It was fabulous. Brownie was amazing.
I swear, the brownie was so good. What did you like the most?
Saldana bakery, same. Brownie, that sausage, chicken sausage
Oh,
puff.
yes, that
That
was
one
amazing.
is very delicious. And the chocolates also. Yeah, and lemon tart also. All the recommendations which we got from the group, those are all true. So thanks for the recommendation. Thank you.
Finally, you need to ask people to subscribe to the channel.
Please subscribe to our
great.
And
Our bell icon.
also share with your friends and families.
So that was our Christmas special cake walk, and it was pretty good. It was a pretty good experience. It was much better than what we expected. Very hectic because I had to try out a lot of sweet items. So not a very ideal day for me. But yep, I'm finally glad that this is off my back, and I cannot wait to get this one released. Let me know how you enjoyed the vlog today. And this would be the last vlog before Christmas, and I might take a little bit of a break, a couple of days breather before the next one comes in. So in the meantime, you guys can share this video if you've liked it, and also do subscribe to the channel in case you haven't. If you're new to the channel, I'm Shabaz. I make vlogs anywhere and everywhere where there is food. And yes, until next time, this is Pushpa wrapping up from a very busy Park Street. Cheers and Merry Christmas, everyone.